Did you know that hydrogen might be the key to our sustainable future? It's
Yeah,
such a fascinating element.
absolutely. But what makes hydrogen so special in the energy landscape?
Well, hydrogen is the lightest and most abundant element, right? But
Mm-hmm.
what's really interesting is that it has the highest energy content per unit weight of any fuel.
So it packs a punch despite being the lightest?
Exactly. And when it burns, it produces only water vapor, no harmful
Wow,
emissions. That's huge for reducing greenhouse gases.
that's amazing. But are we actually using hydrogen energy right now?
Yes, hydrogen fuel cells are being used in vehicles. They convert chemical energy from hydrogen into electricity, powering electric motors with water and heat as
That's
byproducts.
fantastic.
Major car manufacturers are investing in this technology.
But isn't that similar to electric vehicles with batteries? What's the advantage of hydrogen fuel cells over conventional batteries?
Well, hydrogen fuel cell vehicles can refuel much faster than charging a battery, and they often have longer driving ranges.
Oh, right.
Plus, fuel cells can be more efficient over longer distances.
That sounds promising. But I've heard producing hydrogen is energy intensive. Is that a drawback?
Um, you're correct. Currently, most hydrogen is produced from natural gas through steam methane reforming, which does emit CO2.
Hmm.
So, we need cleaner production methods.
Like what? How can we produce hydrogen without the emissions?
Through electrolysis, where we use renewable energy to split water into hydrogen and oxygen.
Right.
This method produces green hydrogen, completely clean.
But is that process efficient and scalable?
It's improving, but we need more investment to make it cost-effective on a large scale.
Yeah.
Also, utilizing surplus energy from renewables can help.
So, hydrogen can also act as an energy storage medium?
Exactly. When solar and wind produce excess energy, we can store it as hydrogen via electrolysis. Then,
That's
we can
clever.
use that hydrogen later to generate electricity or as fuel.
That could really help balance the energy grid.
Precisely. It's a versatile solution. Also, hydrogen has industrial applications, like producing ammonia for fertilizers and refining petroleum. As
Interesting.
industries aim to decarbonize, hydrogen becomes even more crucial.
But do we have the infrastructure to support widespread hydrogen use?
Not yet. Storage and transportation are challenges. Hydrogen needs high-pressure storage, specialized tanks,
Right.
pipelines. Developing this infrastructure is vital.
Sounds like a significant investment is needed. Are companies or governments stepping up?
Some are. There are international partnerships focusing on hydrogen technology sharing and infrastructure development. It's a
That's good to
global
hear.
effort.
But don't you think focusing on batteries might be more practical? After all, electric vehicles are already on the road.
Well, batteries are important, but hydrogen offers advantages in certain areas. For heavy-duty transport, long-range applications, hydrogen may be more efficient.
I see.
It's not one size fits all.
So you're saying hydrogen complements other renewable technologies?
Exactly. It's part of a diversified strategy to reduce emissions,
Hmm,
and it aligns with the principles of a circular economy.
that's a fair point. But public perception is also a hurdle, right? Some people might be wary of hydrogen's safety.
Yes, safety concerns exist, but with proper handling and education, those can be addressed.
Absolutely.
Public awareness campaigns are essential.
And policy support can accelerate adoption. Are governments incentivizing hydrogen use?
In some regions, yes. Policies and incentives help promote research and deployment.
That's
Collaboration
encouraging.
between public and private sectors is key.
You know, I hadn't realized how pivotal hydrogen could be in our energy future.
It's exciting, isn't it? Understanding the hydrogen formula. H2 isn't just about chemistry. It's about envisioning a sustainable future. Hydrogen could be a cornerstone in the global energy transition.
Well, you've certainly shed light on its potential.
I'm glad. With
Yeah.
continued research and investment, hydrogen can help us combat climate change and build a cleaner world.
Let's hope we can overcome the challenges and make it happen.
Definitely. It's a collective effort, and every step counts.
Absolutely.